Okay, welcome back. Today's topic is gonna be fairly simple. I will show you guys what I want to do today. Right now, all of our obstacles are moving at the same speed. I want to change that. We already used an RNG to determine the starting... Alright, take two. We already used an RNG to determine the starting direction of our obstacles. Now I want to do the same but with our obstacles speed variable. And here's the good thing. In this video we're not gonna even create a new variable. This time we're just gonna use this speed variable that we created way before. Currently our speed variable is set to 3.0, but we don't want that. Instead, what we want is to set up our speed variable in the start method, just like we did with the first direction variable. Going into the start method, all we need to do is write speed Random.Range, and then I'll make it so the minimum point is 0.5, and then the maximum point should be 3.5. I think that's fine. And I think that's it. Okay, this was a quick video. How about we save this and check it, test it in the Unity editor. Let's see. Oh, you can see that some of these obstacles are now moving slower, while other obstacles are moving fast. You can see the difference right now. I said this in the previous video, but I'll provide a recap. All of these obstacles share the same scripts, but they run the script independently. Or I should say separately. So one obstacle has a different speed than another obstacle. Oh, also, before we wrap up, I told you in the previous video that I want to change the camera view. So before the video ends, let's do just that. I wonder what a better camera view will be. How about we try something like, give me a minute. That looks fine, I guess. Maybe we can set this up just a little bit like this. Okay, that's better. I guess. Okay, let's set the camera. I think you already know how to do that. Let's select the main camera and then go to main game object right here. And then we'll just click align with view. Now this video is random, but I think I have a problem. Maybe it's just me, but no matter the camera view, I just can't see the player object properly. To be honest, it's only natural since the ground object and the player object have the same default material, so they have the same colors. We already created a new material for our obstacles, so why don't we create another one for our player object too? Going back to assets, materials, and then let's create another material called, let's call it player object. I want to make this blue because why not? Let's make it a dark blue to see how it will look in the scene. So now that we have our material, let's drag it to our player object. Okay, that looks better now.